My name is Douglas Bean, and this is a book review of Secrets of the JavaScript Ninja by John Resig and Bear Biebold. And it is also a short demo of QUnit, which is John Resig's unit test framework for JavaScript. Why read Secrets of the JavaScript Ninja, and who would benefit from reading this book? Any developer who wants to improve his or her knowledge of JavaScript would benefit from reading this book, especially someone coming from a classical object-oriented language like C#. My background is as a C# developer, formerly Java, with some experience and knowledge of JavaScript. I had read jQuery in Action by Bear Biebold. I had read JavaScript The Good Parts by Douglas Crockford, and I got by with jQuery when I had to do front-end work on MVC applications, Razor templates, for example. But I found myself frequently frustrated by JavaScript and truly hating it. And my frustration was the result of expecting JavaScript to be like C# and not understanding the differences in paradigm compared to a classical object-oriented language. And my frustration was also the result of not understanding the fundamentals of the JavaScript language, such as closures or the function invocation context. I might see this keyword 5 times in nested anonymous functions, and I would say to myself, what the heck does this keyword reference? The Secrets of the JavaScript Ninja, John Resig said that one reason he wrote the book is that there aren't enough books that talk about the fundamentals of the language. And that's one thing the book focuses on. The fundamental nature of functions, closures, immediate functions, prototypical inheritance, the function invocation context, or this keyword. Closures don't exist in C#. Immediate functions don't exist in C#. I went back and I read the chapters on closures, the chapter on immediate functions and prototypical inheritance to absorb the material. One thing about the book that is truly inspiring is that they write a little snippet of code as a test framework, and just about everything they say about JavaScript they prove with an assertion. And John Resig, I misspelled that. Excuse me. John Resig also says that he went back to the jQuery library and rewrote some of the core parts of the library as he was working on this book and gaining new insights about how to solve problems. And finally, I think if you're already a JavaScript guru, I think you'll benefit from this book. René Descartes said that the mastery of any subject is the slow, steady accumulation of tiny insights. And this book, the table of contents speaks for itself. If you take a look at it, you'll see that it has many, many tiny insights about JavaScript, working with cross-browser strategies, regular expressions, working with CSS, and so on and so on. And for me, the result of reading this book is that I am no longer frustrated by JavaScript, and I no longer hate it. So, to me, that makes the book successful. And it has also helped me immensely on my current project, writing apps with JavaScript and Node.js. Now I will talk about QUnit, which, as I said, is John Resig's test framework, unit test framework for JavaScript. And what I did after reading this book is my company had a code challenge on their website, which is an elephant gift exchange program to randomly select givers and receivers. So I wrote this little application with JavaScript, and being inspired by the book to unit test everything, I used QUnit to write tests for the program. And just to give you an example of breaking a test, I'll refresh the page and voila, I break my tests. And I came back to this program and I decided to experiment with some JavaScript namespacing patterns, because when I first wrote this program I was polluting the global namespace all over the place. The pattern I've really come to like is the revealing module pattern, but that's just one example. So there I make my change and the test passes. So this concludes my review of the secrets of the JavaScript Ninja and my brief little demo of QUnit. My name is Douglas Bean, and thank you for listening.